Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Jokers of Day Street. If you have watched our yesterday's video, you can see we correctly predicted Nifty's pattern yesterday. That Nifty will form a long bullish candle on daily chart with a small lower shadow, which we considered as the most probable candlestick for yesterday. So now let's see what will happen today. On 4th August, Nifty opened at 10,946.65. Closed at 11,095.25. Base high was 11,112.25 and low was 10,908.1. So now let's analyze yesterday's trend. Yesterday Nifty opened with a gap up of almost 66 points and touched day's low of 10,908.1 during first hour of trade and start moving upwards to reach day's high of 11,112.25. On the upside, the next resistance for Nifty is placed at 11,235 and on the downside support is placed at 11,000. Breaching either of these levels can trigger a directional move. All sectorial indices closed in green except IT. Yesterday's Nifty's up move was mostly governed by Bank Nifty, Financial Services and Nifty Energy. Bank Nifty was up by 1.97%, whereas Financial Services was up by 2.29% and Nifty Energy was up by 2.41%. Considering the closing of Nifty, a further up move is expected. Nifty may test 11,250 level. If it breaches 11,250 convincingly, then further up move towards 11,500 is possible. On the downside, if Nifty breaches 10,950, then selling pressure may arise, which can take Nifty further down to 10,750 level. Now let's see what the moving average and Bollinger Band says. So the day before previous day, Nifty breached 20 DMA and came below it, was trading between 20 DMA and 200 DMA. But yesterday Nifty again went up and breached 20 DMA and trading above all these daily moving averages. So 20-day moving average is placed at 10,975, which may, if Nifty comes down today, so 10,975 could act as a potential support level for Nifty. And on the upside, I don't think today any of these moving averages will govern Nifty's move. On the Bollinger Band, Nifty is trading well within upper and lower band, so Nifty is neither at overbought or oversold zone, so I don't think it will affect today's move. So now let's see what the main driver Bank Nifty. On 4th August, Bank Nifty closed at 21,490.50, 1.97% up, forming a long bullish candle. Bank Nifty breached 50-day moving average and trading above it. Actually, it is trading between 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average. So on the upside, 21,730 can act as a potential resistance level for Bank Nifty, and on the downside, 21,340 can act as a potential support today. Breaching either of these levels may push Bank Nifty further in the same direction. Now let's see what the global trend is. This data is taken 7 a.m. IST today morning. So SGX Nifty, you can see 26.5 points up, indicating a positive opening for Indian market, which we feel will happen. Most Asian markets are trading positive except Nikkei. So and yesterday Dow Jones was up 164.07 points and Nasdaq was up 38.37 points. So all the global cues are positive so far. So now let's see what will happen today. Based on global and domestic trend, Nifty is likely to open with a gap up today. The highest probable candle we feel If Nifty opens positive today, then it will likely to test 11,200 and 10,954, forming a hammer kind of pattern with a long lower shadow. The color of the body could be red or green. It is likely to be green based on the current scenario, but it could be red as well. It doesn't matter. The medium probable candlestick which we feel that Nifty may form today is if it opens with a gap up and does not breach 11,025 on the downside, it may form the bullish candle with a small or lower shadow. The third and the least probable candle that Nifty may form today is if Nifty opens below 11,025 and does not breach 11,025 on the upside convincingly, then it could form the bearish candle on the daily chart with a small upper shadow. So that's all for today. Please do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any suggestion, please post it on the comment section. Thanks for watching.